Objective of the study: to explore whether honeybees, Apis mellifera, can learn abstract symbols, such as shapes or colors, and associate them with numerical quantities, which would involve some degree of symbolic thinking and rudimentary mathematical ability. Methodology: training with symbols and quantities. The bees were trained to associate specific visual symbols, such as a shape or color, with a number of objects, e.g., the number 2 or 3. For example, the symbol Y was associated with 3 objects and the symbol U divided by with 2 objects. Unrewarded tests. The bees were then presented with new symbols or untrained situations to see if they could generalize and make correct choices. Control of smell and other factors. Variables such as smell and color were isolated to ensure that the bees were not guided by other stimuli unrelated to number. Key results. The bees successfully learned the association between symbol and number. In tests where they were presented with new pairs of symbols or quantities, they correctly chose the symbol that represented the larger or correct quantity. They showed cognitive transfer. They could apply the knowledge they had learned in a new context, which is a marker of abstract cognition. Importance of the study. Busting myths about brain size. Despite having brains the size of a sesame seed, the bees demonstrated complex cognitive abilities, suggesting that intelligence is not solely dependent on brain size. Contributes to comparative neuroscience. This type of symbolic learning was considered to be unique to humans, primates, or some birds, such as parrots or crows, but bees demonstrated similar abilities. Future applications. It may influence the development of insect-inspired artificial intelligence, especially for systems with limited computational resources. Subscribe to keep uploading content. See you next video.